In real life, intense blazes can erupt without warning.
I got you, come here!
Join us as we witness the scale of these fiery disasters and the heroic efforts to stop them.
We got you, buddy! We got you! We got you, buddy! It's okay!
Come on, come on!
Right into us! It's okay, buddy! It's okay!
See your license, registration, insurance? How's your license? You're good. Get out of here. Truck's on fire, drivers inside.
Truck's on fire, drivers inside.
On March 2nd, 2020, on Interstate 287 in Bridgewater Township, a tractor-trailer lost control, crashed into a barrier, and caught fire. Two police officers managed to pull the unconscious driver from the vehicle just seconds before it exploded.
Go! You all right? All right. Are you all right? Here, fuel tank's going. We got to get back. All right, stand up. Stand up.
Thanks to the courage and quick decision-making of both officers, the man was taken to the hospital for a checkup and was fortunate to only suffer minor injuries. Leave a heart if you think this was an incredibly dramatic situation.
No.
On February 17, 2025, a serious plane crash occurred at Toronto Pearson International Airport in Canada. A Delta Airlines aircraft carrying 80 passengers and crew members departing from Minneapolis encountered an issue during landing, causing the plane to flip upside down on the runway.
No.
Images from the scene showed smoke rising from the fuselage as passengers in a state of panic.
Don't take the video! Get someone away!
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Oh my fuck god. Yo, I was just on this plane. Oh my god. Yo, I was just on this plane.
According to reports, 21 people were injured. 19 have been discharged from the hospital, while 2 remain in critical condition. Authorities are investigating the cause of the incident.
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft's upside down and burning.
Yeah, buddy. I got you. Come here.
On November 6, 2024, a serious fire broke out in Fulshire, Texas, set by Pedro Luis Parra Polga, the father who intentionally set the family home on fire. When the police arrived, 2 teenagers reported that their 3-year-old brother was still trapped inside. The officers immediately took action, hearing faint cries from the window and quickly rescuing the boy.
Yeah, buddy. I got you. Come here. Come here. We got back up. Back outside. Get him. Go. I got him. Come on, buddy. EMS!
Emergency medical services arrived and the boy was taken to the hospital for smoke inhalation, but later recovered. Pedro Luis Parra Polga was arrested on charges of attempted murder and arson. On November 24, 2024, a massive fire devastated the Isla Puting Bato area in Manila, Philippines. The fire started at a bakery at 8 a.m. and quickly spread through the densely populated area, with buildings made of flammable materials. As a result, 1,000 homes were destroyed. Firefighters faced significant challenges in controlling the blaze due to narrow streets and obstruction from the high walls of nearby container areas. To manage the situation, authorities deployed 36 trucks, 4 fireboats, and helicopters to assist in extinguishing the fire.
Ridgefield Park, New Jersey, police responded to a car fire at 2 a.m. Upon arrival, they found the vehicle engulfed in flames.
Come on. Look, come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Hold the line. All right.
Officers Nicholas Triano, Anthony D'Elia, and Nicolas D'Alta quickly pulled the driver, Christopher Vagnone, out through the window. Fortunately, he sustained only minor injuries. These officers were later honored as Officers of the Month by the National Law Enforcement Memorial Fund.
Something that, you may not experience in a 30-year career. So having been a part of it and a successful job at the end of the day, it's one of the highlights of my career, no doubt about it.
All right. Hold the line. All right.
At 6 p.m. on August 8, 2014, the Exxon gas station in Makhachkala, Dagestan, Russia. A terrifying explosion when gas leaked at the station.
Может, просто вытрать.
The gas station exploded, injuring 4 people who were quickly provided with medical assistance.
Buddy, we got you, buddy. It's okay. Come on. Right into us. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. There's a lady.
A fire broke out at an apartment complex on Quail Drive, Balch Springs. Before firefighters arrived, 2 Balch Springs police officers quickly alerted the surrounding residents.
Okay. Oh, shit.
While on duty, they discovered a woman and her son trapped in a second-floor apartment.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Move back! Move back! Move back! Take it out! Let's go, buddy! Come on! Bust out the glass and let's go!
Hey, no, it's not good.
We got you, buddy! We got you, buddy. It's okay.
Come on.
Right into us. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Come on. Right into us. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh. Okay, get him. I got him.
Right into us. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh. Okay, get him. I got him. Over here. It's okay. It's okay. We got someone on the second floor. She's in that window right there. All right.
Despite being scared, both were guided and safely rescued by the officers. Firefighters and emergency medical services arrived shortly after. The fire caused damage to several apartments and is still under investigation.
Hey, how's your leg, buddy? You okay? All right, your mom's coming. We got her. Is it no one else in there? All right, we're good. We're good, buddy. Hey, that was a good jump, man. That was a good jump.
Вот there.
Many passers-by were bewildered as they witnessed a public bus engulfed in flames in the heart of Via del Triton in Rome.
Вот there.
The incident occurred around 10:20 a.m., and by the time firefighters arrived, the bus was completely consumed by fire. Fortunately, all passengers on board were safely evacuated, but the fire forced the surrounding area to be evacuated for safety reasons. The exact cause of the fire is still under investigation. On July 21, 2024, a fire broke out in the Hawarden area of Riverside, California, caused by the illegal use of fireworks. The fire started in the Hawarden residential area at 1 p.m. and quickly spread to nearly 500 acres. The blaze was not fully contained until July 24th, ultimately destroying 6 homes and damaging 7 others, with an estimated total loss of $10 million. Police arrested 2 teenagers believed to be involved in the fire.
Bobby J. Morris, who was on probation, had just received a routine visit from 2 police officers. Moments after they left, the house exploded and caught fire. Morris tried to escape by climbing onto the roof and sliding down to avoid the flames. Firefighters and police quickly arrived and assisted in bringing him down safely. He was transported to the hospital for treatment, but sadly passed away a week later.
On February 9th, 2023, a devastating gas explosion occurred at a 5-story residential building in Novosibirsk, Russia. The explosion destroyed 30 apartments, claimed the lives of 12 people, and left an unimaginable sorrow for the victims' families. Firefighters quickly arrived at the scene, and an investigation is still ongoing, with suspicions that negligence in gas system maintenance may have been the primary cause of this tragedy. At 6 p.m. in Manchester, New Hampshire, a large fire broke out at a 2-story apartment building on Dutton Street.
God, bro. People in there? There's gotta be, dude. I pray there's nobody in there. Come on. Hey, get all these people. Look, there's somebody in there. They're going in the back. What? What the? All right, get out of there. Get out of there, go. Oh, dude. For real? What are you doing? Get out! Get out! Get out! Come on! Get out! Get out! Get out! Are you kidding me? There's somebody up there! Oh my God! On the 3rd floor! Get out! Oh my God! There's people up there!
When firefighters arrived at the scene, they were informed of a child trapped in the bedroom of the house.
Jump out! I don't know why these people are laughing. Oh, they got a kid. They got a kid out of there.
After a few minutes of locating the room, the firefighters broke the window and successfully rescued the child. Among the 5 people rescued, 1 unfortunately did not survive. The cause of the fire is still under investigation.
Whoa.
On March 5, 2019, a major fire broke out at the Hieronymus Square construction site at the corner of Clinton and Burlington Streets in downtown Iowa City.
Whoa. I heard all the alarms and I came up to the top and I saw the smoke.
The fire started around 3 p.m. on the 3rd floor of the building. Due to strong winds and the unfinished state of the construction, the fire quickly spread.
Wow, you can feel the heat.
I know.
They got water in it yet?
Firefighters worked tirelessly for over 3 hours to fully contain the blaze. The fire not only caused significant damage, but also disrupted the ongoing construction work. The airport fire 2024 broke out at 1 p.m. in Trabuco Canyon, Southern California. The fire was sparked by an accident during fire prevention efforts near Trabuco Creek Road, when machinery inadvertently created sparks, causing the fire to spread quickly. In response to the escalating threat, a large-scale firefighting operation was launched, involving more than 2,200 firefighters. After nearly a month of battling the flames, the fire was fully contained on October 5th, after destroying 23,526 acres, damaging 160 structures, and injuring 21 people, including 19 firefighters and 2 civilians.
Arizona, on February 12, 2025, James Crespo, 70, was wanted in Maricopa County and fled to Yavapai County. Around 4 p.m., Prescott police spotted and pursued him.
Hey, you don't want anyone to get hurt, right? I don't want anyone else to get hurt, too. To keep anyone else from getting hurt, you need to come out here. There's children that live in this neighborhood. That fire could hurt them. I need you to come to me.
When surrounded, he threatened to ignite a propane tank inside his vehicle using a bloater. Seconds later, the car exploded, spreading flames to a Yavapai County Sheriff's patrol vehicle.
Whoa. No, I'm okay.
The fire was quickly contained, and Crespo was pulled from the wreckage. He is now facing multiple felony charges.
The Great American Antique Store, located on 19th Street in downtown Bakersfield, California, was engulfed in flames at 11 p.m. on June 4, 2024. The intense fire, which erupted from the roof, prompted the support of multiple fire units, and the cause of the blaze is still under investigation.
Come on, come on!
On the evening of Wednesday, September 2021, officers from LMPD discovered a building engulfed in flames and immediately alerted the response unit.
Yeah, jump down those. Yeah, jump. Hey, Mark, that's okay, bro. Go, come on. Hey, Mark, sit down. Come on, come on.
During this time, a woman who was trapped on the 2nd floor was successfully rescued.
125 Adam. We're gonna have some.
On January 26, 2023, a large fire broke out at a two-story building in the Westlake district of Los Angeles. More than 100 firefighters fought the intense flames that erupted on the roof for nearly an hour.
Those firefighters are basically cornered on that northwest corner of the building. The entire building is on fire, that entire floor, that top floor. Very, very high temperature fire that is burning on the roof of this building. I have to wonder what is inside this building that has created such a firestorm.
Fortunately, no one was injured, but 3 commercial establishments and several apartments in the building were destroyed. The police arrested a man, accusing him of setting fire to items inside the apartment, causing the severe blaze.
7308, there's no way I'm gonna be able to make it inside. It's fully engulfed. Hey, I've got 2 unconscious in the back room. We can't get them out. Right here, man. My wife is right here. Oh, fuck.
On November 29, 2018, at Calinga Drive, Texas, the Leonard family of 8 narrowly escaped a devastating house fire. The blaze erupted around 3 a.m., waking the entire family.
How many are inside? I don't know. Okay, I need you to back up. Hurry, there's a lady passed out. We can't get her out. Where's she at? Right here, man. My wife is right here. Oh, fuck.
Jeff Leonard, the father and a firefighter, quickly worked to get everyone out through a rear bedroom window.
I can't get in there until you move. Parker, start life care. Life care now. Hey, sir, you're gonna have to help me lift. Come on. You get a feet, dude? I need the fire department's here. Let me go grab them real quick. Hey, I've got 2 unconscious in the back room. We can't get them out. Hey, I got a kid. Got a kid. Come on. Okay. Pass me the kid, pass me the kid.
The 2 eldest children managed to escape on their own, while police officers and firefighters rescued the 2 youngest, ages 2 and 4, bringing them to safety.
Hey, you okay? Come on. I'll be fine. There's 2 unconscious at the front, 2 kids. There may be more. He's down, he's down. He's from inside. Hey, try to drag her back. Hey man, I need you to drag her back. Hey, how many kids are inside? Drag her back. Is that the last kid? No, there's supposed to be 6, but I've only got 2. My 4-year-old, my 2-year-old are out. Over here, over here. The lady, when I first pulled up, had a small child.
A baby, 4 kids. Another 3 kids.
Hey, we got 5 people. Okay. We've got 3 more in the back. We got 3 more in the back. Come on, man. Lean on me. Lean on me. Lean on me. Lean on me. Just put your arm on my shoulder. We're gonna get her back. Come on. I need you to get back here with your daughter. Please.
The house was completely destroyed, and family members were hospitalized due to the fire's impact, with the father and 2 children suffering severe injuries.
Your baby's across the street, okay? And your other 2 kids are in the ambulance being checked out, okay? Awesome. All right? Thanks, guys. Kids are across the street.
Another major wildfire, the lava fire, broke out on June 24, 2021 in California. The fire was caused by a lightning strike near Mount Shasta in Siskiyou County, Northern California, amid dry conditions and strong winds, which caused the fire to spread rapidly. Despite immediate efforts by firefighters to tackle hotspots, the blaze remained out of control. Over 1,600 firefighters were mobilized, working alongside firefighting aircraft to drop fire retardant and bulldozers to create fire breaks. After continuous and relentless efforts, the fire was finally contained on August 18, 2021, leaving significant damage in its wake. A wildfire broke out at El Dorado Park on September 5, 2020, in San Bernardino County, California. The initial cause was determined to be a smoke-generating fireworks device used during a gender reveal party. The fire quickly spread, burning over 2,800 acres of forest and threatening residential areas, forcing the evacuation of more than 20,000 people. Over 500 personnel, 60 vehicles, and 4 helicopters were mobilized to fight the blaze. However, the dry, hot conditions and strong winds added to the difficulty of extinguishing the fire. Rescue teams are actively working to extinguish the fire in the area of 13,000 Ventura Boulevard and have called for a full structural fire response. Fire units quickly reached the scene and used fire trucks to spray water onto the building's roof to control the flames. During the operation, a firefighter was unfortunately injured. However, the calmness and teamwork of the colleagues helped manage the tense situation skillfully, allowing firefighting efforts to continue effectively.
A fire prompted Carlsbad, San Diego firefighters to respond to 3900 James Drive at noon. Upon arrival, they found a garage engulfed in flames. The rescue team quickly deployed firefighting efforts and searched for pets trapped inside. If you feel inspired by these powerful stories, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next videos.
If he's not going to let you put on his nose, just hold it in front, just as close as you can.
2 family dogs were rescued in critical condition, but despite firefighters' life-saving attempts, one did not survive. The house suffered severe damage, and the cause of the fire remains unknown.
The fire that broke out in Malibu Creek State Park near Malibu Canyon Road on December 9th, 2024, sparked a widespread wildfire known as the Franklin Fire. Fueled by strong winds, the blaze consumed 4,000 acres, destroying 20 structures and forcing the evacuation of Malibu residents. About 1,500 firefighters risked their lives to control the fire over the course of 6 days. At 11 p.m. on February 2nd, 2025, fire trucks arrived at 268 Wicklow Beach Road, south of Wicklow, Ontario, Canada. Upon arrival, the house and a car were completely destroyed by fire, despite the quick response of the firefighters on the scene. The people inside the house, along with their pets, fortunately escaped unharmed, and the cause of the fire has yet to be determined. A major wildfire broke out in Southern California. The fire is rapidly spreading near Hemet. Local authorities deployed a large number of firefighting units to evacuate residents and control the blaze. People in the area were forced to leave their belongings behind and evacuate quickly to ensure their safety, while firefighters worked tirelessly to prevent the fire from spreading further. But it seemed that everything was almost powerless. An evacuation order was issued as the flames had not yet been extinguished. On June 30th, 2018, a major fire broke out at a recycling and waste treatment facility in Bunnen of North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. The fire spread rapidly, destroying most of the facility, causing severe damage amounting to millions of dollars. The blaze not only disrupted production activities, but also left significant financial and infrastructure consequences.
If you feel inspired by these powerful stories, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next videos.